Now next is block and tackle system. The block and tackle system is what? Some group of pulleys are fixed, some group of pulleys are what? Movable. Okay. So I am drawing here. This is fixed position. One, two, three. Three pulleys are here. Here load. Is it? So these, here what happened? Three pulleys are fixed. Here two pulleys, what? Movable. Second case, two pulleys are fixed, two pulleys are movable. Okay. Now, in fixed pulleys, we can increase only one pulley. Okay. In fixed case, we can increase only one pulley, but fixed and movable, both may be equal also. Okay. In fixed pulley, one pulley will be more than the movable number of movable pulleys. How rope will pass, that will see. Just see. All pulleys are attached with the rope. Okay. Now here also okay. So this way it will be connected. Now effort is here, effort is here. It is single rope passing through the all pulleys. So therefore, there are segments are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. If it is single rope, in each segment tension will be same. In all segment, tension will be same. So this is say first case, this one is second case. Now first case, effort is equal to T, effort balanced by T. But load is balanced by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strands. 5 strands of rope. So therefore, a load is equal to 5T. In second case, what happened? Effort is equal to T. Load is equal to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tensions. 4T. So therefore, mechanical advantage is equal to load by effort, that is 5T by T, that is equal to 5. Here mechanical advantage is equal to load by effort, that is 4T by T. that is equal to 4. Okay. In this case, what happens if we'll pull 5 meter of rope, so then this 5 meter rope will be divided to 5 strands. So only 1 meter load will be lifted up. Yes, so it means in this case DE is equal to 5 DL. So velocity ratio is equal to DE by DL. Another way for ideal machine, MA equal to VR, that is equal to 5 DL by DL, that is equal to 5. Here also same thing, DE equal to how much? Second case, 4 D. So therefore VR is equal to DE by DL, that is equal to 4 DL by DL, that is equal to 4. Other way also we can say, other way also we can say the number of pulley equal to, number of pulleys equal to velocity ratio. Number of pulleys equal to velocity ratio, that is 5, 4. If velocity ratio is given say 5, then you have to draw 5 pulleys, 3 in fixed, 2 in movable part. Okay. If it is given say 7, number of pulleys is 7, velocity ratio is 7. So then what happen? 4 will be in fixed, 3 will be in movable block. Okay. If it is given say 6, so then 3 will be in fixed block and 3 pulleys will be in movable block. But in all cases, MA by VR. Here first case, 5 by 5, again it is coming 1. Here efficiency is equal to MA by VR, that is equal to 4 by 4 equal to 1. But in actual practice, this mechanical advantage will be less than 5, less than 4. We have taken all this in ideal cases. Okay, in ideal case we have taken. So therefore, if it is coming less than 5, so obviously it will come what? Less than 1, less than 100%. Here also less than 4 if it is coming. So then what happened? So these all we have done by using ideal case, that is weightless pulleys, weightless rope, okay, frictionless movable part. If we'll consider all this, so then what happens? These two will be less than 5 and 4 for 2 cases. But velocity ratio remains same. Velocity ratio remains same. Okay, thank you.